fill. The AI, yes, AI can be a bit much. I summon a genius, they can just do stuff. In the morning, yes, sweet morning for me. The morning coffee, God and the AI for free. I've never done this before. AI and coffee feels different.